What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and I just got a package in from Scrapping, Hoarding, Tinkering, and Fun, and we're gonna open it up and see what we got. Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. This is just gonna be an old-fashioned unboxing. Apparently this is like an Easter egg hunt. So I have literally no idea what's going to be inside here. I'm kind of excited, but definitely subscribe to the channel, Scrapping, Hoarding, Tinkering, and Fun. It's kind of hard to say. You try saying it 5 times fast, but SHT&F. So I'll put a link down below in the description of this video. Let's get my knife out here and crack open this box. So, like I said, all I know is that it's like an Easter egg hunt, so I'm not entirely sure what's going to be in here, but okay, we got some paper right off the bat. Very cool. Oh, look, it really is an actual Easter egg hunt. Look at this. SHT&F. Oh, that's cool. I guess we got some coins in there, it feels like. And okay, well, happy Easter, everyone. We are a little bit late. And we have a card as well. So let's open the card first, and then we'll open the egg and see what we got in our Easter egg. That's kind of cool and fun. A little bit different, but all right. Oh, nice. I love these cards. Oh, check it out. We got an SHT&F sticker as well. Very, very cool. And I don't think I have this one. No, I don't. I don't have it on my wall, so we'll have to add that to the sticker wall. Awesomeness. And it says, Dear Silver Dragon, thank you for your support and enjoy the surprise. Don't forget to mention the clue. Scrapping. So, I guess there's a clue in here somewhere. I don't know where it could be. It's an Easter egg hunt. Maybe it's in here. I don't know. we should be able to try and break it open. Oh, there we go. All right. Oh, I think we might have the clue here. Oh, yes, and I know I see some constitutional. Oh, that's going to be very cool. Let's see. Clue is future of. Okay. So that's the clue right there. So go to SHT&F channel and watch the, I guess there should be an Easter egg hunt video that they have posted at some point. And the clue is future of. So I don't even know how it works. This could be fun. So definitely subscribe to their channel. I know they're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so that they can live stream via their mobile. But anyway, there we go. There's the clue. And let's see what we got here for some constitutional. Oh, very, very cool. We got some Merc dimes. Oh, it's a dollar face. Check it out. So 5 Merc dimes and a good old Walker. So we got 1942 Walker. That is awesome. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love these. These are so cool. Thank you so much for sending me a dollar face value of constitutional silver. That is very cool. And we got some beautiful Merc dimes here as well. Let's show off these Mercs. I'm not sure if we'll be able to get dates on all of them, but you know what? That's okay. These are very, very beautiful and awesome. Check out the Mercs. Let's see. So it looks like maybe a 39, a 45, 44, 26, and another 44. There we go. So 50 cents in Mercury dimes and a Walker. Very cool. That's awesome for you to send me that. Dollar face value. Very, very cool. And also a sticker to add to the wall. So thanks a lot, SHT&F. And again, the clue in this video is future of. So honestly, I don't exactly know how the Easter egg hunt is working. I'm going to have to do a little research myself because I want to see what other channels are doing the Easter egg hunt. And, you know, maybe there might be some prizes at the end of this for you all. So definitely check out their channel. I highly recommend it. So a shout out to them. Very cool. Thank you for sending me the package. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.